warm, chewy cookie. It's been my treat tonight! Today we'll be making white chocolate cranberry oatmeal cookies. Stay till the end to watch me devour them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Flour, 170 grams. Oats, 170 grams. Sugar, 250 grams. Brown. White chocolate, 100 grams. Cranberries, 200 grams. Baking soda, teaspoon. Butter, 170 grams. Salt, a pinch. Vanilla essence, a teaspoon. Cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons. This is gonna go real quick. It's an easy one bowl recipe and let's go. Forgot the egg. 1 egg. Sugar. Oh dear. Salt. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, but be generous. Stir, stir, stir. We want it smooth before we add in all the dry ingredients. You can smell that beautiful brown sugar. I love the smell of sugar. It's so strangely enchanting. Right there. Cook it yourselves has been really great for all my cravings. I usually don't get too inspired to do any cooking if I'm eating by myself, but because I'm making it for you guys, I'm getting to eat everything I really want to eat. I've also had to start exercising a little. Reality. I have been doing exercise every day. It's been my treat tonight! Be dreaming about that. Now that it's all smooth, we're gonna add the dry ingredients, starting with the flour. Gentle, be gentle. Flour flying everywhere. Seems like a lot of oats, but it's totally fine. Low and slow. It's very tiring on my arm, but it's all going to be worth it. Now, you know what? I'm just gonna add the cranberries and the white chocolates in. And then I'm gonna use a glove. Okay? I'm not gonna waste my damn time. Oh, sure. One who does not cook. Okay, let's go. Turbo. This is good cardio for me. You grab your bowl and you mix. Fruit cake, smell it. I don't even really like fruit cake. Actually, I do. I like fruit cake. You? Crazy talk. Who hurt you? Oh no. So it's fine. Okay, we're almost there. It's very well incorporated. Look, all our oats mixed in. Ooh. We want to leave it out for a bit. Oh no, I forgot to preheat the oven!
I told you to do it earlier.
Crapsies. We're going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. You'll figure that out yourself. Alright. As I was saying, we should leave this out for a bit, right? So that the oats hydrates a little. And that's how you get really chewy cookies. And then we'll ball them up and put them on a tray. Let's get it. And since I forgot to preheat my oven, I'm just going to roll it into balls first and let it sit out. Skinnamarink-a-dinky-ding, skinnamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skinnamarink-a-dinky-ding, skinnamarink-a-doo. Because it's so sticky, but not like wet, you know? So you can do it with your hands. You don't need a spoon or ice cream scoop. If you don't have cranberries on hand, I made these with dates the other day and they turned out great. But of course, don't use as much as you would cranberries because dates are so sweet. There are other types of cookies that I really like making as well, like ginger snap, orange chocolate, butter cookies, and those are great because I can freeze them and I can cut them up and bake them fresh whenever I want to. These don't keep well in the freezer, so don't do that. It won't spread as well and they won't get chewy, so bake them fresh, and let's go in the oven. And we'll take them out. Come on, let's start cleaning. ABC. ABC, always be cleaning. You should know this by now. If you cookies are ready. Now's the hardest part. We're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes before we can dig in. Taste test, ASMR. Can you hear that? Why do you look like that? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait for you to try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you next week.